A very good morning to one and all present here. A warm welcome to the esteemed dignitaries, President of the Borivali Malayali Samajam, Shri Sriraj Nair Sir, Chairman of the Brayo Group of Institutions, Shri A.K. Singh Sir, General Secretary of the Borivali Malayali Samajam, Shri Baburaj Joseph Sir, and Prashant Sir, the Chief Operating Officer of the Brayo Group of Institutions, and all the Managing Committee members of the Borivali Malayali Samajam. We acknowledge and welcome you for today's event.
We welcome our energetic parents, grandparents, all set to cheer their children, our principal ma'am, dear teachers, and my wonderful students. We welcome you to the much awaited the BMS Brayo International School's second annual day, a day to honor achievements and cherish talents.
Yes, indeed, Miss. Can't agree more. We come together to celebrate the spirit of oneness filled with new endeavors. At the BMS Brayo International School, we are shaping a future which is filled with knowledge, creativity, and excellence. Not just a place of education, it's a garden of dreams, a stage of creativity, and of course, a home of 1,000 memories.
And this celebration is not just about winning awards, it's about cherishing the hard work, perseverance, and growth of every student in this beautiful journey of learning. I now call upon Miss Durya from grade 9 and Master Sparsh from grade 8 to take the proceedings further.
The lamp represents the dispelling of darkness and dawn of new beginnings. As we kindle this flame, may Lord Ganesha and Goddess Saraswati bless us with the spirit of learning and success.
With this sacred flame, we embark on a journey of hope and inspiration, just as a lamp brightens the darkest corners. May this event bring joy and enlightenment to all.
We invite our honorable dignitaries, Shri Sriraj Nair Sir, President of the Borivali Malayali Samajam, Shri A.K. Singh Sir, Chairman of the Brayo Group of Institutions, Shri Baburaj Joseph Sir, General Secretary of the Borivali Malayali Samajam, CEO of the Brayo Group of Institutions, Shri Prashant Kumar Sir, for the auspicious lighting of the lamp, along with all the members of the Borivali Malayali Samajam.
Shubham karoti kalyanam arogyam dhana sampada shatru buddhi vinashaya deepajyoti namostute divya divyare deepatkar kani kundala motihar दिव्याला पाहून नमस्कार तिळाचे तेल कापसाची वार दिवा तेवे देवापाशी उजेड पडे विष्णू पाशी माझा नमस्कार सर्व देव देवतांपाशी ये ग लक्ष्मी बैस ग बाजे माझं घर तुला साजे घरातली इडापिडा बाहेर जाऊ दे बाहेरची लक्ष्मी घरात येऊ दे.
Prayer is the key that connects us to divine, and dance is an expression of the soul. When these two come together, they create a beautiful harmony of devotion and grace. Let the rhythms of faith and devotion fill this space with serenity and joy.
Presenting before you a soulful connection to the divine. Let's open our hearts and witness the magic of the prayer dance, reminding us that when words fall short, dance becomes the language of our soul.
Gajavadana
Do you know, music has the power to connect hearts and spread joy.
Yes, Mallar, a song of welcome, a tune so bright, filling my hearts with joy and light. Let the melody flow, let the rhythm play, as we greet you all in a special way.
A warm welcome marks the tone for a delightful experience. And Swara, what better way could be than with a heartfelt melody?
Presenting before you a soulful welcome song to embrace this special occasion with harmony and happiness. So ladies and gentlemen, let us immerse ourselves in the warm wishes and the sweet melodies presented by our talented choir.
Let's give them a big round of applause as they take up the stage.
Atithi Devo Bhava is an important part of our Indian culture. It serves as a reminder of the value of hospitality and treating our guests with kindness and generosity. It is time for a movement of honor and appreciation. The felicitation of our esteemed guests. Their presence adds grace to this event and their contribution helps us inspire immensely.
We proceed to bestow a token of appreciation upon our eminent dignitaries. We are privileged to invite all the dignitaries along with our principal ma'am to the stage. Please join me as we extend a warm welcome to our dignitaries for gracing this event with their presence. We are honored to welcome amongst us Shri Shiraj Nair Sir, President of the Borivali Malayali Samajam, to grace the event. We request ma'am to kindly escort sir. We invite sir on stage. We also welcome A.K. Singh sir, Chairman of the Briar Group of Institutions, along with our principal ma'am on stage. Thank you, dear parents. It's also an honor to have with us Shri Baburaj Joseph sir, the General Secretary of the Borivali Malayali Samajam. Thank you so much sir for gracing the occasion. We also request the COO of the Briar Group of Institutions, Shri Prashant Kumar sir on stage. And we also feel elated to welcome Shri K.P. Rajan sir, Treasurer of the Borivali Malayali Samajam. We welcome all the dignitaries on stage.
Shri Shiraj Nair Sir, humbly and graciously sociable. Sir is an inspirational role model, serving as the president of the Borivali Malayali Samajam, which runs the V.K. Krishna Menon Academy and BMS Briar Junior College. BMS also runs a diagnostic center, which is a charitable medical activity for the less privileged ones of the society and treats the patient at a very merged fees with the help of MD, MS doctors. As an effective orator, Sir has been involved in public life. Currently, Shri Shiraj Nair Sir is the national spokesperson of VHP and is regular on all national and international TV channels as a panelist. Have been a part of the World Hindu Economic Forum since its inception and have travelled extensively to many countries including USA, UK, Australia, Hong Kong, UAE, Singapore and other countries.
Thank you so much, parents. We also welcome Shri A.K. Singh sir. Sir has been awarded as the best teacher in 2003 by the Government of Maharashtra, has served as a senior teacher at G.D. Somani Memorial School, ICSC and St. Stanislaus High School, Bandra. He has been a former member of the Education Committees, NMMC, for 10 years, former member of SSC, HSC, Mumbai Divisional Board, Vashi for 5 years. He has been the former principal of Srimati Sushila Devi Deshmukh Vidyalaya and Junior College. With strong belief and mission, our chairman sir continues to encourage and extend the Briar banner in different directions. A round of applause, dear parents. And our very new entry, Shri Prashant Kumar sir, Chief Operating Officer of the Briar Group of Institutions under the Gotham Education Trust, Mumbai, a certified career counselor by United California Los Angeles University and a certified marketing professional by IIT. We also welcome Shri Baburaj Joseph sir, General Secretary of the Borivali Malayali Samajam. Thank you so much sir for gracing the occasion. Shri K.P. Rajan sir, Treasurer of the Borivali Malayali Samajam. Thank you so much dignitaries today to grace this occasion and making it even more special. Shri K.P. Rajan sir, Treasurer of the Borivali Malayali Samajam. Thank you so much sir. Last but not the least, Shri Prashant Kumar sir, COO of the Briar Group of Institutions. He's a certified marketing professional by the IIT Delhi. A round of applause, dear parents. Our council members are here. Thank you, dear children. Thank you so much, sir. We request you kindly to proceed and kindly be seated. Thank you, ma'am. It's an honor that you have graced the occasion and marked this occasion for us, made it even more special. From the Himalayas in the north to the oceans in the south, from the desert in the west to the lush greenery in the east, our diversity is the greatest strength. As Jawaharlal Nehru rightly said, culture is the widening of the mind and the spirit. And what better way to celebrate this than our language, the very essence of our identity and heritage.
Today, as we begin this grand celebration, we honor this linguistic richness. Our students from grade 1 to grade 9 will welcome you in different languages, representing the unity and diversity that defines India. Each language carries its own melody, its own history, and yet they all resonate the same warmth and hospitality.
Journey begins with a single step, and an event begins with a heartfelt greeting, a warm smile, and a few kind words. These are the perfect ways to begin any gathering. Up next, we have my schoolmates who are eager to share their heartwarming greetings to you all.
Yes, Durya, through their words, they will describe our excitement, joy, and gratitude. Our friends are here to officially welcome the guests with their inspiring words.
Is a beginning. Staying together is progress, and working together is success. Good morning, esteemed dignitaries, respected principal ma'am, dear parents, teachers, and my fellow schoolmates. I am Master Arush Narayan Megari from grade 7. It is my honor to stand before you today to welcome you all to the second annual day celebration. Today marks a significant milestone in our academic year, a day to reflect on our achievements and to look forward to the amazing possibilities that lie ahead. I would like to extend a warm welcome to our esteemed dignitaries who have taken their time after their busy schedules to join us today. To our dear Principal Ma'am and our teachers, we are grateful for your guidance and support throughout the year. A special welcome to all the lovely parents who are thrilled to cheer us. Your presence means the world to us, as you are the pillars of support and encouragement for all of us. Today's program is packed with exciting performances, awards, recognition of achievements. I would like to invite you to participate fully into the celebration. Once again, I welcome you all to the second annual day celebration. Let us come together and make this day a memorable one. Thank you. स्वागत 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 दिल के खूबसूरत हुआ मन से सच्चे मूरत हुआ क्या तारीफ करूँ आपकी क्या तारीफ करूँ आपकी हमारे कार्यक्रम की सूरत हुआ माननीय अतिथिगण आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य शिक्षक और यहाँ उपस्थित मेरे सभी प्रिय सहपाठियों और मेरे प्यारे मम्मी पापा को मेरा प्यार भरा नमस्कार। आज विद्यालय के वार्षिक महोत्सव में मैं खुले दिल से आप सभी का स्वागत करती हूँ। स्वीकार आमंत्रण किया रखा हमारा मान, स्वीकार आमंत्रण किया रखा हमारा मान, कैसे करें कृतज्ञता। स्वागत है आप सभी का श्रीमान। मैं पीयूसी प्राथमिक कक्षा चौथी की छात्रा आज हमारे विद्यालय के द्वितीय वार्षिक समारोह में आप सभी का स्वागत करती हूँ। आज हम यहाँ वार्षिक महोत्सव का समारोह बनाने के लिए एकत्र हुए हैं। यह हमारे विद्यालय के लिए बेहद महत्वपूर्ण एवं गौरवपूर्ण क्षण है। वही मुझे आज इस मौके पर आप सभी को संबोधित करने का सुनहरा मौका पाकर बेहद प्रसन्नता हो रही है। अंत में सिर्फ यही कहूँगी, अतिथि सत्कार बिना हर अरदास अधूरी होती है। अतिथि सत्कार बिना हर अरदास अधूरी होती है। अतिथि ही वो फरिश्ता है जिसके आने से हर आस पूरी होती है। धन्यवाद। सुप्रभात सुप्रभात सुप्रभात। अतिथी देवो भव ही आहे बारकांची शिकवण। अतिथी देवो भव ही शिकवण इथे मनामनातून प्रगटते संस्कारांची रुजवण. अशा वार्षिक स्नेहसंमेलनाच्या निमित्ताने कर्तृत्ववान कार्यशैलीतून स्वतःसोबत इतरांचे जीवन सुगंधित करणारे व्यक्तिमत्व म्हणजे आपले ब्राह्य समूहाचे अध्यक्ष माननीय श्री ए.के. सिंग सर, BMSचे प्रेसिडेंट श्री श्रीराज नायर सर आणि आपली मुख्याध्यापिका खुशबू अनंत तावडे मॅडम, सर्व शिक्षक आणि उपस्थित असलेले पालक यांचे मी इयत्ता दुसरीचा विद्यार्थी पार्श्ववारकर सर्वांचे सहर्ष स्वागत करतो. स्नेहसंमेलन म्हणजे रम्य पहाड, नाच गाण्याने गजबजलेली एक वादळवाट, सोनेरी क्षणांची एक आठवण, वर्षभराची सुंदर साठवण. आजचा हा जल्लोष बाल कलाकारांचा, चिमुकल्यांचा उत्सव, कलागुणांचा तुमच्या सर्वांच्या उपस्थितीने प्रोत्साहनाने आजचा हा सोहळा खूप मौल्यवान ठरणार आहे. तुम्हा सर्वांसाठीच कवितेच्या या 2 ओळी सादर करत आहे. तुमच्या टाळ्यांची गरज आहे, चिमुकल्यांच्या मुलांना बळ देण्यासाठी तुमच्या टाळ्यांची गरज आहे, चिमुकल्यांच्या मुलांना बळ देण्यासाठी. करू नका बाळांनो काठ कसट टाळ्या आवाजांसाठी, करू नका बाळांनो काठ कसट टाळ्या आवाजांसाठी. धन्यवाद.
सुप्रभातं, नमो नमः. मम नाम युहान अस्ति. अहं सप्ताहकक्षायां पठामि. माननीय मुख्य अध्यक्ष द BMS ब्राह्य समूह श्री श्रीराज नायर महोदयः, माननीय अध्यक्ष ब्राह्य समूह श्री A.के. सिंग महोदयः, श्रीमती प्राचार्या खुशबू आनंद तावडे, आदरणीय शिक्षक शिक्षिकाः, मातरः पितरः च मम प्रिय सखा, सर्वेभ्यः नमस्कारः. अहं सर्वेषां मम विद्यालये द BMS ब्रायो इंटरनेशनल स्कूल मध्ये आयोजिते वार्षिक समारोहे स्वागतं करोमि. इदमम् अस्माकं विद्यालयस्य द्वितीयवार्षिक समारोहः अस्ति. भवन्तः सर्वे आगत्य एवं समयं दत्तवन्तः, अतः अहं भवन्तां सर्वेषां धन्यवादम् अपि करोमि. भवन्तः सर्वान् अत्र दृष्ट्वा अहं प्रसन्न अस्मि. भवन्तः अपि उत्तमाः प्रस्तुतीनां प्रतीक्षां कुर्वन्तः सन्ति, यथा अहं करोमि इति अहं मन्ये. भवन्तः सर्वे निश्चयेन आनन्दं प्राप्स्यन्ति इति अहं मन्ये. पुनः एकवारं सर्वेषां धन्यवादः.
A louder round of applause for our Sanskrit which has been introduced in the curriculum this year. Thank you so much.
সবাইকে আমাদের বার্ষিক দিবস উদযাপনে আপনাদের সবাইকে আন্তরিক স্বাগত। আজকের এই বিশেষ দিনটি আমাদের সাফল্যকে উদযাপনের, স্মৃতিকে সংরক্ষণ করার এবং নতুন সম্ভাবনার দিকে এগিয়ে যাওয়ার এক দুর্দান্ত সুযোগ। আজকের এই দিনটি আমাদের ছাত্রছাত্রী, শিক্ষক ও কর্মীদের কঠোর পরিশ্রম, নিষ্ঠা এবং প্রতিভার প্রতিফলনে। আসুন একসাথে আমরা উদযাপন করি এবং এই উৎসবটিকে সত্যি স্মরণীয় করে তুলি। আপনারা সবাই আনন্দ উপভোগ করুন, আজকে এই মুহূর্তগুলো উপভোগ করুন। ধন্যবাদ এবং চলুন আমরা উদযাপন শুরু করি।
सुप्रभात माननीय मेहमानो, सम्मानीय प्रिन्सिपल मैडम, शिक्षक मित्र, उत्साहित पेरेंट्स અને મારી સાથે બધા ભણતા વિદ્યાર્થીઓ. હું હવીશ પ્રકાશ કડા, કક્ષા 4 ની વિદ્યાર્થી. આજનો દિવસ અમારી સંસ્થામાં ખૂબ વિશેષ છે કેમ કે અમે અહીં બીજા વાર્ષિક દિવસની ઉજવણી કરવા માટે અહીં એકત્રિત થયા છે. આ પ્રસંગે હું આપ સૌનું હાર્દિક સ્વાગત કરું છું. આ વર્ષે અમારા સંવિધાનના દરેક વ્યક્તિએ પરિશ્રમ અને સમર્પણથી કામ કર્યું છે. આ ખાસ દિવસ ઉજવવા માટે તમે બધા અહીં આવ્યા તેની માટે હું તમારો આભાર વ્યક્ત કરું છું. હું આશા કરું છું કે તમે આ કાર્યક્રમ થહે દિલથી જોજો અને એની મજા લેજો. આભાર. നമസ്കാരം. എൻ്റെ പേര് മാനവി നാരായൺ. ഞാൻ BMS ബ്രായോ ഇന്റർനാഷണൽ വിദ്യാലയത്തിലെ 1ാം ക്ലാസ് വിദ്യാർത്ഥിനിയാണ്. ഇന്ന് നമ്മുടെ വിദ്യാലയത്തിൻ്റെ വാർഷികാഘോഷത്തിൽ പങ്കുചേരാൻ എത്തിയ എല്ലാവരും ഞാൻ സ്വാഗതം ചെയ്യുന്നു. നമ്മുടെ വിദ്യാലയത്തിൻ്റെ ഭാരവാഹികളെയും പ്രിൻസിപ്പൽ മാഡത്തെയും രക്ഷിതാക്കളെയും പ്രത്യേകമായി ക്ഷണിക്കുന്നു. വരൂ, നമുക്ക് ഒരുമിച്ച് ഈ ദിവസം ആഘോഷിക്കാം, ആനന്ദപ്രദമാക്കാം, ഓർമ്മയിൽ തങ്ങി നിൽക്കുന്ന ഒരു ദിവസമായി മാറ്റാം. നന്ദി.
Bonjour à nos invités, respectez madame la principale, chers professeurs, parents and amis. Je m'appelle Anshul de la classe New. On est heureux actuellement à la journée annuelle de PMS Braille International School. Aujourd'hui, nous célébrons l'excellence, le talent et la convivialité. Une merci sincère à nos invités, mentors et familles pour avoir rendu cette journée spéciale. Merci.
Good morning, everyone. It's an honor to welcome you all to our annual day celebration. Today marks a special milestone in our academic journey, a day to cherish memories and to look forward to new beginnings. Let's come together to celebrate our success, to inspire each other and to make this day truly unforgettable. Enjoy the exciting performances, awards and festivities. Thank you.
A round of applause for all our children. Thank you so much, children, for welcoming our guests today. We once again welcome all our dear parents for today's event and all our dignitaries, along with the members of the Borivali Malayali Samajam. Thank you so much for gracing the occasion and taking time out of your busy schedules. Thank you so much.
Music, dance and drama, the soul of every celebration. The very first performance is a mesmerizing dance by our cute little stars showcasing their happiness and joy. Get ready to sprinkle your hearts with delight and your faces with endless smiles, because it's time for the most adorable members of our school, the nursery rock stars.
Oh yes, fun and florid dance and मस्ती. आओ चलो इन नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चों के माध्यम से हम उन सुनहरे दिनों को याद करें. Waiting to take us on a roller coaster ride with their innocence and charm. They say each child is a different kind of flower, and these flowers together make the world the most beautiful garden.
Let me call upon Miss Anaya to share a piece of her heart before us today.
A round of applause for our dear little Anaya. Come on, Anaya.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Anaya Gupta. I am from nursery class. Today we are going to perform the happy dance. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you.
Thank you, Anaya. It was wonderful. Are we all set? Are we ready to watch our toddlers? Yes or no? I can't hear the noise.
the importance of saving our planet.
With their tiny feet and big heart, our senior KG stars are here to spread an important message. Say no to plastic.
Save the earth, make it shine. Say no to plastic, it's time. With dance and rhythm, watch them say, a cleaner world is on its way. Let me call upon Master Vian and Master Vedabrat as they take up the stage enlightening us with the growing ill effects of plastic.
How harmful plastic is to our environment. Yes, I have heard about it. It causes lot of pollution. But what's the most dangerous effect? Well, it takes hundreds of years to decompose. It pollutes soil, water and air. That's really scary. I've seen pictures of animals getting flapped into the plastic waste. All marine animals eat plastic and die. I think we should reduce our use of plastic. Maybe we should use a cloth.
किस धरती के नाम से सब ये खाए रे टिक 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 क्लासिक टिक ना आए रे
A round of applause for our munchkins. Oh my God. The stage is set on fire. I think they deserve another huge round of applause. Thank you, dear children. Our children waving. They're all excited. Cannot leave their parents. In the words of Winston Churchill, success is not final, failure is not fatal. It's the courage to continue that counts. Today, we take a moment to honor the best and the brightest of our students who have excelled in academics and co-curricular overall participation in the class throughout this academic year 24-25. On the President of the Borivali Malayali Samajam, Shri Sriraj Nair Sir, General Secretary of the Borivali Malayali Samajam, Babura Joseph Sir, and the Treasurer of the Borivali Malayali Samajam, Shri K.P. Rajan Sir, to kindly do the honours. The journey to success is not an easy one. It requires dedication, perseverance, and relentless pursuit of excellence. Energies are running high, and the time has now come to recognize the stars among us. The moment that we have been waiting for, the Academic Excellence Award for the year 24-25. These awards are presented to the students who have shown outstanding academic performance and dedication in their studies. We couldn't be more proud of their hard work and perseverance. These students have gone above and beyond, setting a great example for all of us. So without further delay, I move on to the Grade Wise Academic Excellence Award, beginning with the category of Grade 1 to 4. Participated in all the activities. Winning and losing is all part of the game, but they have never skipped any activity whatsoever this entire academic year. A round of applause for all our winners from grade 1 to 4. To create some memories, thank you so much, sir. Request you to kindly be seated. Babura sir and K.P. Rajan sir to kindly be seated.
Good morning, everybody present here. Respected A.K. Singh sir, General Secretary of BMS, Sri Baburaj, Treasurer, Sri K.P. Rajan, my colleagues in the Managing Committee, Honorable Principal, teachers, our support staff, respected parents and children. First of all, before I begin to speak, a big round of applause to each and every student. What a wonderful performance! Beautiful performance with excellent message. My congratulations to the teachers who choreographed this beautiful dance with such a wonderful message. We at BMS Bravo International School, we will ensure that there will be overall development of your children. On this occasion, I would also appeal and request to all of you to not see your children as competitors to other students. Every child is unique, every child is gifted with a different talent. So we at BMS Bravo International School not only take care of the academic affairs, we definitely try and ensure our principal and her team, we definitely try and ensure that our children should excel in studies. But at the same time, we've been taking equal care and attention about sports activities. That is the reason our school has been among top 4 in Mumbai in cricket. One of our students has been selected in the MCA tournament under 14, and we are very sure soon we will have a cricketer from our school who will represent Ranji Trophy and eventually represent our country. We have been always careful about sports, about other activities also, dance, performing arts. So that's the reason I always appeal. Every child is a unique child. Parents should never think of competition. As Swami Vivekananda always used to say, grades does not define intelligence and age does not define maturity. So a student who has scored 99% does not mean that he is more intelligent than a student who has scored 60. That also does not mean that a student should not score 99. Every student will make a mark on his own, and the school, the management will always try to see to it that every child and his talent or her talent will be looked upon, and the management and the principal and our teachers and the academic staff will ensure that the children will be groomed. Today we saw such a wonderful message with dance about the plastic awareness, about the use of plastic and its hazards to the environment. Our Prime Minister says about the Panch Parivartan, and this Panch Parivartan is about environment, Paryavaran. Second is Swa, that is my responsibility, because who am I? I have a responsibility, the responsibility which nobody even sees. That even that time, what should I do? When I am in my house, if I am in the other room, I should switch off the lights. I should ensure that no bulb is switched on. Or when I am traveling, whether somebody sees or not, I should ensure that I should not cross the signal. That's Swa, that is self-discipline. Then comes Samarasta, that is equality. We need to ensure that everybody grows. We all should ensure that together we take along everybody. If we find somebody who is weak or who is not doing well, we support. We teach our children also to ensure that they look upon with equal eyes on everybody. So these are three Panch Parivartan. Then comes our duties. Our duties towards the society. All these things are very important, that as our Prime Minister always talks when he talks in Man Ki Baat or whenever he addresses students. So these are the great things which makes a human being different from others. So we need to ensure that everybody grows, everybody gets into self-discipline, everybody has a mindset of teamwork. A teamwork will lead to a greater success. So today on this occasion, once again, I wish each and every child the best of their future, and we at BMS Braille International will ensure the growth of each and every ward, each and every student of our school. Thanks a lot. Best wishes to all of you. Thanks.
Thank you so much, sir, for such kind words of motivation. I'm sure that all of us always talk about our rights, but we hardly talk about our duties. So these words will definitely motivate us to do our duties and take us further as a team together. Thank you so much, sir. We move on to the next category of grade 5 to 9, the Academic Excellence Awards and the Active Participation Award. I call upon A.K. Singh sir, Chairman of the Braille Group of Institutions, and Prashant sir, CEO of the Braille Group of Institutions, to do the honors, please. A.K. Singh sir, Chairman of the Braille Group of Institutions, and COO, Prashant sir. Thank you so much, sir. The next category is for the grade 5 to 9, the Academic Excellence Awards and the active participation in the class activities.
The Academic Excellence Award goes to Bhumi Panchal from grade 5, Bhumin Panchal from grade 5, Vignesh Tambli from grade 6, Vignesh Tambli from grade 6. We have Johan Panjari from grade 7, Johan Panjari from grade 7. We have Sparsh Chaudhary from grade 8, Sparsh Chaudhary grade 8. From grade 9 we have Arushi Anand, Arushi Anand from grade 9.
A round of applause for all our academic excellent children.
Moving ahead, we have students who have excelled in academics and have emerged as the all-rounders, being the most active students taking part in all school activities for the academic year 2024-25. Active participation in class activities, grade 5 award goes to Kavya Shukla. From grade 6, the award goes to Saksham Padwal. From grade 6, we have Saksham Padwal. From grade 7, the award goes to Drona Varga. Drona Varga, grade 7. From grade 8, the award goes to Yoganta Mohite. Grade 8, Yoganta Mohite. From grade 9, we have Hriday Panchal. Hriday Panchal from grade 9.
A round of applause for all our winners. We request sir to kindly create some memories, very sweet memories for our children, for some photograph. Request A.K. Singh sir and Prashant sir to please. No sir, all are done. Thank you. So please. A round of applause for all our winners, dear parents. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. We request A.K. Singh, sir, Chairman of the Braille Group, to kindly address the gathering. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Prashant, sir. Kindly be seated.
Good morning to everybody. Respected Sri Ram Nair sir, the chairman of Borivali Malayali Samaj, Honorable Secretary of BMS, Sri Baburaj sir, Mr. K.P. Nair sir, Chief Operating Officer of Braille Group of Institution, Sri Prasant sir, the Principal of BMS Braille CBSE and the State Board School, Mrs. Khushbu Anand, member of the teaching staff, non-teaching staff, and my dear parents. I think this is the second year of CBSE school, and we have this year we may reach around 500, the total strength of this school. My dear parents, we are not concentrating only in the co-curricular activities, but along with the co-curricular activities, we are fully concentrating in the academic. We have appointed Mr. Prasanji as the Chief Operating Officer of Braille Group of Institution. He is quite expert in all national talent search examination like Science Olympiad, Physics Olympiad, Maths Olympiad, in marketing as well as in academic. Since we are having almost 10 to 12 institutions in Mumbai and Mumbai suburb. So slowly we are searching a talented and good people to join with us, who can help us and to improve and the quality as well as an expansion of the institution. My dear parents, we have planned from this academic year 25-26 to start the foundation of NEET and JEE from the grade 6. From the grade 6 standard, we'll start the basic foundation course of NEET and JEE. We have already appointed the group of teachers who are quite expert in NEET and JEE, medical and IIT competitive examinations. Our children has performed quite well in sports, especially in the cricket, as Mr. Suraj Nair has announced. And before we have joined the BMS Braille, I think our school team was they were doing quite well in cricket, and near future, definitely as Mr. Nair has said, our 1 or 2 students may get the place in the Indian cricket team. My dear parents, we need your support. Just sending the children and searching good school is a best thought for the parents, but at the same time, the parents must devote minimum 1.5 to 2 hours to sit with the children to find and check their day-to-day studies. I have spent almost 35 to 40 years in the field of education. My personal studies, unless the parents check their students, their children's day-to-day studies in the evening, they are not going to be success in the life. So my humble request to all the parents, think education is key to success in the life. Education is key to success in the life, nothing else. You collect plenty of amount, deposit in the bank is not going to help your children. Only studies is going to help your children. So please take care of your children day-to-day studies. And one thing I can assure you, and you might have observed to our teaching staff, we have tried our level best to choose the best teaching faculties member in the BMS Braille institutions. We need only your support. If somewhere you think somewhere the school is lagging behind, you are welcome to come to the principal office, as to my office. Mostly I am here on every Tuesday and Friday. So please visit to us, discuss with us. If somewhere we are lagging behind, we'll try our level best to correct ourselves. Once again, I congratulate the principal and the teaching staff who has taken a lot of pain to train our children for this annual function. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
Thank you, sir. The next category, we have the Special Achievers Award. We are very privileged to give away the Sports Achievers. We also request Shiraj Nair sir to kindly do the honors. Request Shiva sir, our admin head, to kindly escort him back on stage. The Sports Achievers Awards honoring the champions. These achievers are being honored because they brought laurels in the various competitions that they have participated in throughout the year.
We have first Miss Shreya Jambale from grade 3. Shreya Jambale from grade 3. She stood first in under 9-14 Chesscraft Academy Rapid Chess Tournament in 2024. She also secured second All India rank at the Open Rapid Rating Chess Tournament 2024 held at Goa.
Ladies and gentlemen, second All India rank deserves a round of applause. Come on.
Next we have Master Ojas Malakapuram from grade 8. He scored a century in the MCA Under 14 tournament, won an award for outstanding performance in the MCA Under 14 tournament.
Master Ojas Malapurkar from grade 8.
Next award we have Master Rishabh Verma from grade 9. Master Rishabh Verma from grade 9, please be ready. We have Master Rishabh Verma from grade 9 who won an award for the best bowler for MCA tournament under 14. Next we call upon Master Bhavya Sharma from grade 9, identified as the best batsman playing in prestigious tournaments for MCA, Dream 11, Invitational Cup and Bhaskar Trophy. Give them a big round of applause. Last but not the least, we have Master Jashan Sharma from grade 4. Jashan was named best bowler in most of under 12 cricket academic matches and man of the match against PKSA under 12 club. Let's give a thunderous round of applause to our star achievers. Thank you, sir.
Graduation is not the end, it's the beginning. I'm thrilled to invite all the tiny tots of Senior KG for their proud graduation ceremony. We are going to celebrate the culmination of the students' journey together.
Time is the seed of the universe and every action shapes the destiny that follows. Today, they take a step forward, marking a significant milestone in their formal education journey. All ready to step into grade 1. In the words of Mahatma Gandhi ji, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams.
So parents, are you ready to cheer your little ones who are going to become the graduates today? Are we ready? Okay, as we announce each graduate, I feel the parents need to motivate their children with a loud wave and a loud cheer. We request Babulal sir to kindly do the honors. Sir, kindly request your presence on stage, escorted by our admin head, Shiva sir. Thank you so much, sir. We begin with the graduation ceremony. These little toddlers are now going to formally enter grade 1, a new milestone in their academic journey. The batch of 24-25, all set and ready to move into grade 1. They're beginning with the formal journey, all set to begin with grade 1. The first category, the kindness heroes. These are the little stars who share, care and help their friends. They are the unsung champions. The compassionate souls. The little stars who share, care and help their friends. They are the unsung champions who spread warmth, compassion, wherever Swara, Asri, all set. The next category are the dynamic thinkers.
These smart little minds love to ask questions and find new ideas. They think fast, solve puzzles, and always have something exciting to share. Always brimming with ideas that challenge the ordinary and redefine the possibilities. Their sharp minds and innovative approaches pave the way for progress and transformation.
We have Miss Arya, Master Pratham, Master Yashvi, and Master Vian. A round of applause for all our graduates. The dynamic thinkers. They're all excited to accept their role and step into the formal education. The next category is the imaginative artist.
With colors, shapes, and lots of fun, they create magical drawings and stories. Their creativity makes the world more colorful and full of wonder. With creativity as their superpower, they paint emotions, sculpt dreams, and bring stories to life. Their artistry inspires, captivates, and adds beauty to the world. The imaginative artist.
Master Vedavrat, Miss Prisha, Miss Ganeshika, and Miss Kamaya. A round of applause for our imaginative artists. And the last but not the least,
Always smiling, laughing, they spread joy wherever they go. Their giggles and kindness make everyone feel happy. Spreading joy with their infectious laughter and uplifting spirit, they turn even the dullest moments into celebrations. Their cheerful presence is a reminder that happiness is best when shared.
we have Samarveer, Miss Ruhi, Miss Viti, and Master Ishan, the Jolly Gift Fellows. And here we have the 16 graduates for the day, my dear parents. A round of applause for our graduates. A louder cheer from the parents. Can we wave? Can we see the parents waving out from the audience? Oh, wonderful. Okay, we can see some there. Wonderful. Can the children see their parents? Some sweet memories being created. The class teacher joining them. A round of applause, my dear parents. Thank you so much, sir.
We request all the dignitaries to take their seats.
Parents, you are doing a lot of confusion clapping. So you have to motivate the children. Let me tell you, in last 2 months, I was chief guest in 3 big schools for their annual day. And I can with full responsibility say, ours is the best one. 3 big schools, CBSE and ICSE, I was a chief guest and with responsibility, again I am repeating, ours is the best one. So please motivate your children. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Thank you
sir.
so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you to all the parents, teachers, and everyone who has supported these children on their journey so far.
This isn't about getting more, but appreciating what you already have. Gratitude is not the only way to say thank you. It is a lifestyle, a mindset that brings us closer to joy and inspires kindness in others.
Yes, Durya, it turns ordinary moments into blessings and challenges into opportunities. As we move forward with today's event, let us embrace gratitude and the goodness around us today. Let me call upon Master Divyan and Master Hriday to express their heart before us today with a huge round of applause.
Hello everyone, today me and my friend Divya will we talk about someone very special. Can you all guess it? Hriday, are we going to know about our friends, our teachers, all about our games and toys? No, Divya, just wait. We are not talking about all these things. We are going to talk about our parents. Yes, Hriday, our parents do so much for us every day.
we deserve another round of applause, my dear parents. All bright and sunny. Thank you so much, children. Knowledge imparts humility. It's through the pursuit of knowledge that we build character, wisdom, and a brighter future. This journey of learning and growth is led by none other than our esteemed principal ma'am, whose vision and commitment continue to shape our school's success. I invite our beloved principal ma'am, Khushbu Anand Tavre, to present the annual report for the BMS Brayo International School, CBSE, Borivali.
Mrs. Khushbu Anand Tavre brings with her 25 years of distinguished teaching experience, including 13 years of exemplary service as a principal, alongside 25 years in administrative roles. She has been honored with the prestigious Swami Vivekanand National Award 2025, receiving the National Principals Award in recognition of her outstanding contributions to education. Ma'am, over to you.
I think we deserve another round of applause for our principal ma'am. Recently won this award. Thank you so much.
Very good morning. Everyone present here in this auditorium. Respected Honorable President of the Borivali Malayali Samajam, Shri Sriraj Nair sir. Chairman of the Brayo Group of Schools, Shri A.K. Singh sir. I warmly welcome Babu Raj Joseph sir, the General Secretary of the Borivali Malayali Samajam. I also welcome K.P. Rajan sir, the Treasurer of the Borivali Malayali Samajam. Along with us this morning, we also have the Chief Operating Officer, Prashant Kumar sir, the Brayo Group of Schools. We also have with us the entire family of the Borivali Malayali Samajam, the Managing Committee members of the Borivali Malayali Samajam, Simi ma'am, Nalini ma'am, Kuti sir, Augustine sir, and adding to the list, it's an entire big family of the Borivali Malayali Samajam. My heartfelt welcome to all of you. Along with that, all my dear parents, our students, our beloved teachers, I think I have to cut my speech a little shorter because most of them has already been an example to you this morning. The level of confidence, the level of communication which the children have developed in an academic year. Today is a day where we celebrate the second annual day celebration of the BMS Brayo International School, CBSE. To my witness, today's theme is taking the children back to understanding the Satyug Se Kalyug, the thought process of righteousness, as we have to follow the values of love, honesty, teamwork and oneness. My dear parents, this morning you witnessed a lot of thought processes, a lot of messages coming over to my children. And today, it is very, very important for us to understand that each child is very special to us. My junior KG children, when we take a rehearsal, very well said, junior KG has not done well. So today, this morning, they were asking me, ma'am, have you done it well? So this is the level of interaction which we have with us, and that is the level of warm and affection which our children get only at the BMS Brayo International School. The level of confidence which my children share with me is something which is going to be very, very important to each one of you. Adding up to this morning, we have all our students of the secondary section presenting the theme of Satyug Se Kalyug, where you will witness the scenes from Mahabharata, Ramayana, and coming together is how each one of us has to bring up the change of maintaining the integrity, the evils of righteousness, the values of righteousness has to be within us right from today, right from the old era till the current situation. And along with it, I just start a brief of the annual report, the activities covered in the academic year 24-25. Before I proceed to the activity, I just want to make sure that I had an example of one of the parents coming back and saying me, ma'am, we are so much thankful. This is themes Satyug Se Kalyug. Our children not getting time to watch our mobile, but it was a big surprise from a father coming from a family, stating, ma'am, thank you so much. you have just taken over our children from WhatsApp and Instagram discussing Mahabharata and Ramayana on the dining table. And that is what the achievement of our group of schools says. Coming back and being back into your roots, that is what is important for us. And we make sure that we are going to instill the values of love, the values of patriotism, the values of affection, the values of honesty in each one of our children. What we made our children think is what our children are going to do. And that is what our parents coming back and saying, ma'am, thank you so much. This year's theme is something which is going to instill in the mind of our children. And thank you once again, A.K. Singh sir, for giving us this privilege that we can put it on a big scale and we can showcase the talents of our children, dancing and singing, getting ready and instilling the values of going back to the roots. That is very important. Can we have our attention towards the screen, please? Can we have the first slide, please? I'm going to be a little quicker because we are going to run out of time. The highest education is that which does not merely give us information, but makes our life in harmony with all existence. A very, very touching quote to understand. It is a quote said by Rabindranath Tagore ji. It is very, very important that we make our children understand to stay in harmony with the current situation, with the current values of coming back with a thought of, so education is not only, as Sridhar sir has only said and A.K. Singh sir has also mentioned, it is not that how much marks your children get, it is how well are your children doing it, how well are the children participating in extracurricular activities, and very confidently I do take up the privilege, it is all between the parents, us and our children. We are supposed to come together as a team and look towards the development of every child. Can we have the next slide, please? We start our day with the prayers. As we said, we are going to go back to values. Instilling the thought process of value of God is very, very important. A peaceful prayer to kickstart our day is where we start with. We start our day with a prayer, and we also have one slok from the Bhagavad Gita, which is very, very important. Every morning, our music teacher makes an effort to make sure that the children recite one slok from the Bhagavad Gita. We have creating our young leaders, investing in empowering future leaders. Our school council members from the grade 4th to class 9. The campaigning, the school council election was done and the students have elected these members. These are the children who are good in extracurricular activities, oratory skills, and we had the investiture ceremony in presence of our guests. Can we have the next slide, please? We have the activities of the pre-primary section where every child has been given an involvement. It is very, very important to understand that every child is going to participate in each and every activity. There is no way of skipping out the activity, but rather it also becomes a motivation to all our parents. So thank you all my dear parents, those who readily accept the circular and bring back the children with a lot of activities. Can we have a huge applause for the parents once again? It is all your efforts which you come back with the activity schedule. Ma'am, yes, we are ready with the activities and you are getting ready with the children. That is what we come back. Celebrating colors is very, very important as a motive to learn in the pre-primary class. We celebrate the Green Day, the Pink Day. We also not less, we are also celebrating the international days. One world, many cultures and endless possibilities. The international days we celebrate is the Tiger Day, the Yoga Day, the Children's Day. Very, very important for us is that every activity has an academic outcome, has a learning outcome, and we celebrate the Book Day, that is the children carrying the favorite book, the First Aid Day, the Health Day. Also celebrating the national days, the United we celebrate and United we stand. The national days at school, that is the Republic Day, the Hindi Divas, the Mathematics Day, the Kisan Divas. And these are some social factors which are going to instill the children the thought process of why do we celebrate these days. This is very important for children to understand. We have the Independence Day, the Air Force Day, the Gandhi Jayanti. They have visited the Gandhi Ashram at Borivali. Respecting values, respecting elders is one of the very key motto. We celebrate the Grandparents' Day, the Father's Day, and also we have the Educational Week this month in our pre-primary section. Their teachers taking up education as a very important task. Celebrating what is very, very important, close to the Borivali Malayali Samajam is the exploration in the field of sports. We celebrate the National Sports Day, celebrating the spirit of sports in the month of August, that is the 28th August. We celebrate Diwali, and very, very important this time, A.K. Singh sir and Sridhar sir, let me tell you, our students of senior KG had showcased Ramayana on Diwali, and that is what our children and our parents were all at school celebrating Diwali festival. And once again, a huge round of applause. My senior KG and my junior KG have the class activities. Every activity is designed with a motive to learn, and every teacher is making it sure that every child is going to nurture and get their skill and talent upskill in the activity. Shaping creativity, molding imaginations. We have the clay molding, the storytelling and the phonic activity, which is specially focusing the pre-primary section. The Navy Day activity, wherein the children will make sure that we start thinking about what is the profession we are going to select maybe in the near future. And every activity at the school is designed basically for let the parents explore, let the parents think, and that is what we look forward. Can we have the next AV please? Very, very important activity is the tourism activity where you will understand, and we will have a small video. Can we have the volume please? A video showcasing the entire airport scene, and this is the video showcasing my pre-primary section. Can we have the video please? The entire airport scene was being displayed, and the children have been given the proper training of how to enter an airport, because we believe all our children are going to explore not only in the nation but also internationally. We are supposed to make them sure that they get this training right from the school. It is not the mummy and papa, it is also the school behind them who is going to give them this training. So the entire set of crew members are ready, and all my air hostesses in the red. And this all was not possible by the efforts of the entire team. So we have the BMS Brio Airways also coming up. So Srirasa, we look forward for the Airways also getting ready for in the name of Borivali Malayali Samajam. We also explore our activities with the help of field visits, because we think that children are very keen and they are very, very smart enough. They actually learn when they observe. They actually learn when they listen, and they actually learn when they hear. So we have the different field visits, adventures beyond classroom. We have a field visit to Gandhi Ashram, a field visit to fire station at MHP Colony, Little Explorers, a field visit to fitness gym because we want all our children to eat healthy and be healthy, a field visit to a Reliance Mall where they can explore different fruits and vegetables. That cultivates a healthy eating habit among our children. The activities are primary and the secondary section. So not only academics is our core, but also making it sure that children learn every point of understanding. We celebrate the international and the national days. The Energy Conservation Day, where all our children participate in the fancy dress competition. The Democracy Day for the grade 5th to the 9th, where the children understand what really democracy is. Learning to lead, growing with nation. We have the Rivers Day. And this year onwards, that's the year of 24-25, we started Sanskrit as a language from grade 1 to 9, wherein the children have beautifully understand and learn shlokas. And thank you once again to our senior authorities, A.K. Singh sir and Shira sir. Sanskrit children have taken very, very sportingly, and this morning you could witness Johan expressing a speech in Sanskrit. So we have celebrating the Sanskrit Divas, the Air Force Day with a lot of poster making activities. We also have with us the National Sports Day, the Senior Citizen Day, because for us, not only the parents but also our grandparents do equally hold the importance. So we have a Grandparents Day, we have activities covering for grandparents, when the children also celebrate. The very, very important focus in the month of April was a pet day, where the children got all the pets at the school, and the children enjoyed with pets at school. That's a pet day, wherein this again inculcates a feeling of love, a feeling of oneness, and a feeling of affection towards animals. We want our children to be very, very nature savvy. We want our children to make sure that they are very close to environment, and making it sure the children brought their pets at school. We have the Republic Day and the Independence Day, the very important national festivals for us. We make sure that mind matters, care, share and be aware. A lot of meditation activities because we want our children to be mentally healthy. And we also celebrate the Mental Health Day, wherein children wrote up they have made sure that they have written their weaknesses, they have written their positive points, and then just raise up in the air to make sure that they are mentally healthy. So all the negative points, the weaknesses, they have just pulled up in a balloon and they have raised up higher. And we also believe in Nutrition Week. We believe in Mathematics Day, Human Rights Day, and the different activities which were being focused for secondary and the primary section. Another important highlight was a World Tourism Day, where we explored 8 different states of India, and each and every class was assigned a state, and very few of our parents, all parents were also invited to witness this. The Tourism Day, where we made sure that every child, along with the team, making it sure that the teamwork also speak volumes. The children did their best, and among every grade, there's one class which is winning, and we have our parents who are interacting with our children and showcasing the talent and the culture of the particular state. We have the club activities, the teamwork makes the dream work. These are different club activities which we hold up. The snowman making, the emotional landscape making, the group collage, the flower rangoli making, the photo frame making. These are some class activities which instill teamwork and oneness so that the children learn to understand the strength and the weakness of their friends. The healthy eating habits, the Rakhi making activities are all. We also have a science club activity, discovering the wonders of science. That's not only going to the lab, but the lab has come back to the classroom where our teachers have demonstrated the science practice, simple experiments in the classroom. Our science teachers, our teachers being from grade 4, from grade 5, are there presenting different simple experiments in the classroom. Also to our parents, the teachers from the grade 1 and 2, the properties of air, the sink and the float, the different things. Celebrations in school for us, every festival is important. As you celebrate a festival at home, the same way we make sure that we celebrate festivals in school. And that is what every celebration has been given the due importance of celebrating at school. We celebrated the Vasant Panchami, the Christmas, the Navratri festival with lot of joy and thought process, the Krishna Janmashtami, the Ganesh Chaturthi. There's not a single festival we look after. We have the Makar Sankranti, the Onam festival, and we make sure that children learn, and the children should be knowing the different cultures and festivals which we celebrate in India. The different competitions which we hold, teaching the value of hard work and dedication. A lot of different competitions, right from nursery till the class 9. We had the Admatas where students of senior KG and junior KG were getting ready for preparing different arts. We had the elocution competition for developing the oratory skills, the speaking skills and the confidence among the students. The poster making and the Navy Day debate. We make sure that our children in the secondary section know to debate. It is very, very important that they should know the debating skills, and we have the students from grade 5th to the 9th in different teams debating over the Navy Day activity. The eco-brick competition, the chess competition, developing in sports. Connecting with environment, it's very, very important for us because we believe the children should be make sure how important environment is to them. And we have a sparrow feeder making. We had a beach cleanup drive by our students of grade 9 where the children have cleaned the beach at Charkop Kandivali, wherein the students participated along with their teachers and PT teacher. We had the Dan Utsav where children have voluntarily brought food grains from home and which was deposited in the orphanage, making it sure that the children should know the value of giving and sharing is very, very important. So we had the Dan Utsav, give with love and spread the joy. A special session, interactive session on music, a special session, interactive session on cybercrime by Mr. Vimuk, which was being conducted, a session on dental care for students of pre-primary, and a session of environment by the EFI team was conducted for the secondary section students. Very, very important part is the life skill sessions which we had in the month of April. We have the honor of Shri Kamalochan Prabhuji visiting our school, guiding the students about the importance of Bhagavad Gita, and we had the students from grade 4 to the 9 presenting the chapter 12 of the Bhagavad Gita, and this is very, very important. We make sure that the children should be nurtured with values and making sure this program actually made the children think about this. So it is very important is what you present the children, and that will explore the children to think more about their activity. So we believe my children are very confident. My dear parents, you need to take the responsibility at home because at school we teach Bhagavad Gita, we teach academics. Make sure that at home they should not take up Instagram and social media. So I leave up the responsibility to the parents to take care of this because at home, at school, we nurture the children with these set of values. Thank you so much. We have the science exhibition wherein the children presented different projects. We had the PTM, parents-teacher meeting is one of the important parts because in one academic year, we meet the parents at least 6 to 8 times. We have 6 class assessments and we meet the parents at least 6 to 8 times in one academic year. And the last PTM which we have the students from grade 3rd to grade 5. They had presented the best projects. Because in CBSE board, project activity is one of the most important activity which takes up the CBSE curriculum. So our children who have done the best projects, they were been given a chance to present the projects in front of the other parents on the parent-teacher meeting day. So we have the best winners from each class. Grade 3rd had 4, grade 4 had 4 presenters, and grade 5 had 4 presenters. We prepare our students for the competitive exams, that is the SOF, the IOF exams. Our children will get ready, and very soon we are going to invite speakers from IIT, as well as Singh sir has already said, we are going to prepare the children for different competitive exams. So we are getting ready for our first batch of grade 10 for the academic year 25-26 of the BMS Bryant International School CBSE. And moving forward, we will make sure that a lot of speakers have been invited from IIT, JEE Mains to guide our students, not only in the field of maths and science, but also to prepare them for life, which is very, very important. We are fortunate for one of our parents, one of our parents from the junior KG had organized a help to us, and sir has organized a visit to Vidhan Sabha. This is a very, very rare opportunity which schools do not get. And thank you, sir. May I have your warm-up attention, please? Thank you so much, sir, for organizing it. Thank you, Upalkar, sir, for organizing this visit. My heartfelt thankful. All our parents are very, very impressed because this is the first time our children got a chance to visit the Vidhan Sabha and understand the working of the parliament. We also had a very, very important attraction, a 2-day adventure camp. Very, very important for each one of us. Right from grade 3rd to we started from grade 4th to grade 9. All our students, basically because parents were little dicey about their children, how will our children behave, how will our children stay away from our parents. But let me tell you, my dear parents, we had 55 students with us who visited the Dusheth Resort at Kapoli, a 2-day adventure camp where the children have enjoyed to the fullest, and all credit goes to my hard-working team of teachers because this really acknowledges a lot of applause. Our first 2-day adventure camp for my children at Dusheth Resort. Along with me, we have made sure that we were participating in full adventure activities. Thank you, Chairman Sir, for giving us this permission to make sure that this visit is being taken and organized well for our children. Our children have literally enjoyed working into teams, participating and staying up without parents, following a sense of responsibility and discipline. A picnic to Bird Park and Tic-Tac-Toe for our students of nursery to the grade 2 was organized, where our children explored nature again. Going back to birds is very, very important. And the annual sports meet, come back. The very important event of the year, the annual sports meet, where we have all our students. It's important, every activity at school, 100% participation, and all our children enjoyed it really well. We are making it sure that we are going to come up with more important individual and team games. Looking forward for development in the school. This year onwards, what we have started is football and cricket as a post-school activity where renowned coaches train the students in football as well as in cricket, because as Shriyas sir has already said, we are looking forward that our team reaches to the level of India. So it is not only our SSC school, the Vicky Digital Menon Academy, but also the BMS Bryant International School CBSE is getting ready, and very fortunately it will be both teams of the BMS competing each other, and that is what we look out for, a vision. And we have our children getting ready in the form of football. Our future plans: introduction of one foreign language at school, as we did Sanskrit. We have the student care department, which is very keenly going to focus about the weakness of the students. We are making it sure that this year I visited only 5 residences, but as a part of student care development, we are going to reach back to all the students who are weak in studies, and we definitely want to come back to home, understand what is the problem, why is the child not studying and reading at school. We had the guided self-study session, the career counseling sessions for students of 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th, and we are going to launch robotics as a subject from grade 3 onwards to the class 8. So this is the future plans. Once again, my heartfelt gratitude to the Borivali Malayali Samajam for exploring the different infrastructure at school. Thank you once again to our chairman A.K. Singh sir for trusting us and believing in us and giving us the opportunity to make sure that every day is a new day at BMS Bryo, and every day comes up with the new activities. Once again, a heartfelt thank you to all my dear parents for making it sure that whatever we say, you believe in us, and that is what we look forward, and that is how our school will grow. Thank you, my dedicated team of teachers. A lot of thought process goes behind the screen among my teachers, and nevertheless, it is all children, a lot of enthusiasm, a lot of care, a lot of affection which we encourage and we interchange with each other, and all credit goes for today's show to all my dear students right from nursery till the class 9. Not a single child makes sure that we want to stay back at home, but that comes back from the parents' motivation at home. Go to school and get ready for what Principal Ma'am says, and that is what the vision of our school believes in. So once again, my heartfelt gratitude for all the members of the Borivali Malayali Samajam who extended their time this morning to be with us. Your presence makes wonders, and your presence is truly going to be a strong momentum for our school to proceed further. Once again, a big thank you to all my teaching and non-teaching staff. This show would have been incomplete without the support of any one of our member at school, right from our support staff, right from the bus driver, right from my office staff. We once again say and believe we are creating all-rounders of tomorrow, not only at the nursery, but right from the grade 10. And very soon we are going to extend our classes till the grade 12th to 11th and 12th of CBSE. And we make sure that we are open for admissions from all classes, right from nursery to the grade 9. Once again, we thank you for all your presence. We thank you for all the motivation and for all your back support. We once again make sure that you are going to be there in the auditorium after a short break and getting ready for the theme of the program, Satyog Se Kalyog. Jai Hind, Namaskar.
Thank you, ma'am. We have come to the end of our first half. We go for a very short break and we'll be right back.